This snooker play is scripted and directed by your truly, Anita Makaria. And this is something which is going to be executed very well by these little kids, and I'm confident about it. The whole idea of this play is to truly understand, do we understand the meaning of freedom and what we are doing about it? Over to our little angels.
Happy, happy Independence Day, everyone.
Come on this side, come on this side.
Happy Independence Day, all. As we celebrate our independence, so happy that we are free. Along with our independence came our freedom, our rights.
Right to equality.
Right to freedom of speech and expression. Right against exploitation.
Right to freedom of religion.
Right to life. Cultural and educational rights.
Right to constitutional remedies.
Right to privacy. Kya rights, kya freedom? Are we not enjoying this already? We are privileged enough to enjoy these rights. But unfortunately, not everyone has this luck. Luck, privilege, rights. What are you all talking about? I'm getting confused.
Step out of the small world of yours and see the larger reality. You will be shocked. Come with us.
मम्मी जल्दी, मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ।
मुझे भी पढ़ना है। मैं भी भैया के साथ स्कूल जाना चाहती हूँ।
तुमको कितनी बार समझाया है कि लड़कियों का पहला काम होता है घर संभालना। भाई को तो पढ़ लिख कर कमाना है, नाम भी और पैसे भी। तुम घर के काम सीखो, आगे यही काम आएगा।
मम्मी प्लीज, मुझे भी पढ़ना है। मैं भी पैसे कमाऊंगी, जॉब करूंगी और आपका नाम रोशन करूंगी।
मम्मी ये सही तो कह रही है।
बेटा सुनो, अगर यह बात तुम्हारे पापा सुन लेंगे तो बहुत डांटेंगे। चलो अपना काम करो और मुझे भी करने दो। जाओ थोड़ी सब्जी ले आओ।
ठीक है।
अच्छा सुनो, दुपट्टा पहन लो। मोहल्ले के लड़के होंगे, एक टेंशन तो यही रहता है।
कोई इन्हें कुछ भी नहीं कहता। आप ही ले आओ।
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो। ये कहानी है तुम्हारी, ये कहानी है हमारी, जानी मानी और पहचानी, जानी मानी और पहचानी। We are not truly independent. We are not free. If the children don't get their basics, education, dignity, and no gender equality,
It's time to change. Change begins from us. Let's all pledge.
Now change it. Bring it down itself.
it's not just a privilege to enjoy education. It's our right, irrespective of the girl or boy. Be it a child on the street, polishing shoes or begging, serving tea at some stall or at the traffic signal, he is pleading. A boy or girl, any caste or tribe, has a right to education and has a right to smile. पंछी बनूं, उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में, आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में। Freedom is my birthright.
Let's express ourselves loud and clear. We are not commodities. Why should we stay in fear? We can meet if government guidelines suggest so. Please do not restrict us indoors. Let us meet and grow.
We are all united and together stand as an association to safeguard our interests and have a group representation. India is our country. our home. We can stay where we wish. Let not demographic boundaries divide us based on our caste or creed.
Big or small, it's my interest, my livelihood, my choice. A job, profession, or a business to earn my money, it's my voice.
I dress the way I want. I'm free to decide. Dignity is my right. Look at me with respectful eyes. Don't discriminate me based on gender, caste, or creed. I deserve equal opportunity to succeed. The Constitution of India protects the fundamental rights, the basics, and the civil liberties of the people of India.
The fundamental rights are applicable to all citizens, irrespective of their race, religion, caste, creed, place of birth, or gender.
The fundamental rights are protected by the judiciary of India, and in case of violation, a person can approach the Supreme Court directly.
Let's act responsibly.
We are a free country from any foreign rule. Let's free ourselves from all the ills in our society. Without freedom and rights come duties and responsibilities. Let's fulfill our duties and do our little bit. Jai Hind!